Bro, get me 5.
5 what? Burgers? Minutes? Meters? People?
Ever realized how chaotic life would be without units? That's why we have measurements, folks. Welcome to Nova Nix. Today's topic is units and measurements. So, what are units? A unit is basically a standard reference chosen to measure a quantity. It tells you what you're measuring and in what terms. For example, if you say 5, it's meaningless. But if you say 5 kilograms, now we know you're talking about mass measured in kilograms, or if we say 5 meters, now it's a length measured in meters. So in simple terms, a unit gives meaning to a number by defining what's being measured, and without units, we'd literally be lost in translation. Now, there are two types of units: fundamental or base units and derived units. Fundamental units are independent of other quantities. They are the building blocks of all measurements and cannot be broken down any further. Derived units are formed by combining fundamental quantities. So, it's like Lego blocks which come together to build a cool spaceship. A complete set of these units is called system of units. In earlier times, scientists of different countries were using different systems of units for measurement. 3 such systems, the CGS, the FPS, and the MKS system, were in use extensively till recently. The base units for length, mass, and time in these systems were as follows. In CGS system they were centimeter, gram, and second. In FPS system they were foot, pound, and second. In MKS they were meter, kilogram, and second. The system of units which is at present internationally accepted for measurement is the SI. In SI, there are 7 base units and 2 derived units with special names or supplementary units. The 7 base units are: length SI unit meter, symbol m; mass SI unit kilogram, symbol kg; time SI unit second, symbol s; electric current SI unit ampere, symbol A; thermodynamic temperature SI unit Kelvin, symbol K. Amount of substance SI unit mole, symbol mol; luminous intensity SI unit candela, symbol CD. In addition to these fundamental units, there are 2 supplementary units: radian for plane angle and steradian for solid angle. 1 radian is the angle made at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. 1 steradian is the angle subtended at the center of a sphere by a surface whose magnitude of area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. In simpler terms, a radian is a way to measure angles. It's like saying, how far around the circle have I turned, based on the circle's size. If you take a piece of string the same length as the radius of a circle and lay it along the edge/circumference, the angle it makes at the center is 1 radian. Quick facts. A full circle is 2 pi radians, around 6.28 radians. 1 radian is approximately equal to 57.3 degrees. The formula for calculating angle in radians is arc length upon radius of the circle. Example: if the radius is 5 centimeters and the arc is 5 centimeters long, the angle is equal to 1 radian. Steradian is like a 3D cousin of radian. Instead of measuring a flat angle in a circle, it measures a solid angle in a sphere. A full sphere has 4 pi steradians, which is around 12.57 steradians. Formula for calculating solid angle in steradians is area of sphere upon the square of the radius. So, radian is like how much pizza slice you turned, and steradian is like how much of the pizza ball you bit off in 3D. Thanks for watching.